Hello, nice to meet you. Can you please introduce yourself a bit and tell me what company are you representing today?
Fantastic. Yeah, thanks for having me. My name is Sebastian. I work for Impossible Cloud Network. I run the foundation there. And what we do is we build the evolution of the cloud and by making it composable and openly accessible for everybody.
Ah, that's great. Thank you very much. So, yeah, I would like to ask you like a simple question, but can you elaborate on the role of HyperNodes within the ICN's ecosystem and how they contribute to network integrity and performance?
I think what makes us different is that we said, okay, instead of having a technology and then trying to frame it into a product, we took it the other way around. So we said, okay, let's make a product that actually solves a problem. And then let's build the foundational layer in terms of scaling the network afterwards. So that's where the hypernodes come in. Essentially, we have this S3 object storage as the first angle in our ecosystem. And then we onboard more like more of these services afterwards. Right. Where the hypernodes come in is that they actually make sure that the quality of the service that's being delivered is accordingly, right? So it's basically making it transparent for everybody that uses the ecosystem.
Okay, but I would like to ask you a bit sneaky question, but what stands you apart from your competitors? What is like your the most interesting thing about the company?
Right. So I think that I already touched upon the fact that we came from the demand side, right? So we have roughly 5 million recurring revenue already, and we have hundreds of enterprises actually using our product again because we came from solving a problem first, and now we are scaling the network to in the future have more services that solve even more problems. So essentially, we're a flourishing open ecosystem that's fully composable and for everybody to contribute.
Okay, I see. Thank you very much. So yeah, the next question will be about what ways does ICN support the deployment of AI, gaming, next-gen applications within its decentralized cloud environment.
Right. So we took a data gravity first approach. So what does that mean? Our first service that we offer in the ecosystem with one of our builders is actually the S3 object storage. Why? Because that's the data centric solution. Once you have the data in house, you can then do something with it instead of the other way around that you always need to shift data where it needs to be processed. So that's why we took the storage angle first as one of our first builders that built on top of our network. And then afterwards, there will be multiple AI angles, AI agents that can build on top of this.
Okay, I see. So now it's time to reveal some secrets. Can you please tell us some like points from your roadmap for the next couple of years, or maybe for the near future of 5 years? What will you do to become like the most effective, the most successful company within your industry?
Sure. So I think what the next milestones ahead, of course. So we've done the first product market fit, right, with the storage. Next milestone will be the launch, of course, of the whole ecosystem. Will come with a token in summer this year. And then afterwards is, of course, about scaling the ecosystem, right? So having a multi-service ecosystem that serves multiple use cases. I think with these three milestones in mind, I think we are nicely poised to take over some of the traditional cloud industry and make Web3 mass adopted by Web2.
Nice. Thank you very much. It was a pleasure to speak with you, Sebastian. Thank
Thank you.
you. Thank you.